How to buy Nyan token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, go and check their account and keep following their updates about their token. And don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 113 members there. So as you can see, the token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 120% in the last 24 hours. And now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open a fund to mine for that. Now after that, here, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. So it seems that it's not available in the Phantom wallet. So you can now change to another wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet, for example. I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token on my wallet. But first of all, select the Solana as a network to be able to add this token to your wallet and click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, our token is available in Bitget wallet. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet and go back, and you can now find it here. After you find it, what you need to do, you can now just click on it and now click here on swap and switch from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy any token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.